What's up, guys? This is Jose Davila, and this is the Unknown Universe channel. In this video, I want to share with you guys some information that may save a lot of money from your pocket. It's happening to me. Okay, let me explain you what's going on. Since a couple weeks ago, the check engine light came up to my Jeep. My Jeep is running fine. I don't see any difference. No loss of power. Nothing. No, not any noise. Nothing. It's running perfect. But the check engine light, came up. So I have a OBDII scanners tool. So I scan my Jeep, and two codes are persistent. The first one is the PO302, which is misfire in cylinder number 2, and the second one, the P000, I think letter B, or P000, something like that. Anyway, sorry, I'm gonna write the both code in the description, so see below the both codes. But the other one was related to the camshaft position sensor. So what I did, trying to fix the problem by myself. So I bought the whole spark plug package and the whole ignition coil pack. So I did by myself. I did the replacement of the all spark plugs and the all ignition coils, and also I did the replacement of both camshaft position sensor. So in the meantime, I took the positive wire from the battery. I switched the headlight on position to drain the battery of the computer of the Jeep. That's helped to delete any storage code in the computer. So yeah. So let me tell you something. If you're gonna replace the spark plugs of your Jeep JK by yourself, it's a lot of work. You have to remove the air intake and a couple of brackets. I mean, it's a lot of work. But if you have the correct tools, it's not bad. You can save a lot of money. But the thing is, when I have done, and so I use my Jeep like one day, and the check engine light came up again. So I was asking myself, what am I gonna do? What else? So I bought the OBD sensor. It's still in my garage. I didn't replace the OBD sensor yet. And I was thinking to buy the whole package of fuel injectors. But I went online to a couple Jeep forums, and a lot of Jeep owners, they are saying that this is a known issues. This is happening very often for Jeep owners from 2011 to 2013. But the interesting information that I want to share of you is the following. One guy, he wrote in the comments in one of those Jeep forums that Chrysler, they has extended the manufacturer warranty to replace the cylinder head, in the left side. That means the driver's side. with no cost. But you have to meet this requirement. 10 years. So my car today is I think it's May 6th. I think May 6th of 2021. So my Jeep is 2012, so it's still in warranty in this new extended warranty. So it's covered. And the other requirement is less than 150,000 miles. My Jeep has 105. So I say, wow. But what happened, because I am the second owner. I am the second owner of the Jeep. So what I did, I called the Jeep dealer, the dealership. I called the guy, and he told me, no, doesn't matter if you are the second owner or the third owner. Doesn't matter. What Jeep is doing is tracking the VIN number of the Jeep. The Jeep is the product that is under the warranty, not the owner. So I say, oh, okay. So they asked me about my VIN number by phone. They check in the system and they told me, no, yeah, you still covered. You still covered. And also some recall may apply to you with no cost. But if we found something else that is not covered by the warranty, you have to pay for, from your pocket. I said, okay, no problem. So my big concern was about if I had to pay for the cylinder head, and the cost of labor. But yeah, I don't have to pay nothing. That's covered for the warranty. So not many people, and I include myself. Not many people knows that the Chrysler has extended the warranty for some non-issues up to 2,000 miles. Up to 2,000 years, or up to 150,000 miles. So I hope that may help you if you are in the same situation of you. So please call your Jeep dealership and ask for them if you ask them if you are still covered by the manufacturing warranty. That happened to me. I did the appointment already. I did one appointment already for next Thursday. So I'm gonna finish this story after that happened. Let's see what happened. But they checked the VIN number of my Jeep. They asked me about the how many miles have my Jeep. I told them 105,000 miles. So I meet both requirements, because for next year, the next year my Jeep gonna turn 10 years. So after next year, no more warranty for me, but still I am covered. So yeah, he told me, no, you are covered. You are totally covered. So bring your Jeep, and yeah, and we're gonna figure out what's going on. But look like might be the cylinder head, because they know that those years from 2011 to 2013 they had that problem causing the misfire in the cylinder number 2 or some cylinder in that bank, in bank number 1. So I hope that this information help you. If you didn't know, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe down below, okay? Thank you.